I fixed what bugged me. So this is the conduit, and it leans through and it keeps going everywhere, and it drove me crazy for a couple of weeks. So I decided to put a piece of wood there to stop them falling through, keep it premium. Great job, Stuart, setting a nice standard for your drill bits and a sponge with WD-40 on. Damien and Dan worked on the saw hood and powder coated it. Phil straightening all the labels on the back of the roller racking to make it premium. Charlie and Patrick before and after, labelling the floor, making some standard locations to keep it nice. Great job. And Chris added a charger onto the drill box station at the studio. Josh cleaning and dusting the corner in the office, making it premium. And Alex under the desk with before and after, cleaning the floor behind the computers all round them. Great job, everyone. Mark with before and after. I found some collapsed boxes in the barn and straightened them back up and put them back how they were. And Charlie added Ziploc bag 2-bin system. Great job, everyone. Thank you very much. Premium improvements.